Good morning, guys. It's gonna be super spontaneous. We are gonna take down a wall, a complete wall. So it's his birthday on Saturday. He has a workshop. He also has a lot of tools. So we thought, how do I explain it? Okay, so like 2 days ago, my mom woke me up in the morning and was like, Esther, I have the greatest idea. Behind this wall is our garden shed. He has no idea. Do we think that he will like it? I mean, he will like it in the end, for sure. The only thing is that he built this wall. He made this wall pretty nice, and he put down like these wires, and that he did himself. So perhaps he will think like, okay, what a waste of time if he did it. But yeah. Okay, I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but I'm just a bit, that's why I'm sad this video is not planned at all, because yesterday we called the construction workers and I have to clean here. I have to put the tools away, somehow move this thing. I don't know the English name. Fräse. What is Fräse in English? I will probably make a star and then you know. Anyway. And then I have to also move this box and the cables. Yes, I can. I can do that. I will just turn off the switch and then remove them, I guess. So now I'm just going around. We already cleaned it out. So this is the shed, so it gives him so much more space to store something. And this is the wall which will get taken down. I think we will do it until the cable, so like until here, right? Like here, and then until here. So we have like some centimeters here. Well, I don't know where to start. Ah. Uh-oh. Now we are getting to the more interesting part. I have to take this one down. Let's do it. And I have another problem. Not a problem. We don't have problems. We have challenges. I want to remove this one. You can see they are in the wall, screwed into the wall. So I have to find the right tool for it. We still have electricity. But I think if I just turn off this one. Yes. Great. Oh, I'm so stupid. I want to open this and I can't. Oh, how do I open this though? So it says actually pull it up and then I can put it down. Nah. Did it! Woo! Now I only have to remove this. As you can see, the cables are now loose, just here hanging. So I will just put them back, basically. We have it 9:40 in the morning. I'm meeting my one of my friends for coffee in 20 minutes, and I already managed to deinstall an electricity outlet. Oh, I love it. I'm so proud. Okay, then continue. I'm allowed to help a little bit. Now the most important thing, coffee. Always make sure that you give them a lot of coffee. And I think we also have cookies somewhere. But it will look so good. I'm so glad that they were able, because they were actually working on a different construction site, but as they do a lot for us and for my mom's work, they were so kind that they put us like in between. And I'm super thankful, so thank you very much. I don't know if you guys will see it, but thank you very much for doing so. And now I have to make coffee and I literally have no idea. I only know how to make my coffee, but I will just, I don't know, we'll see if it's too strong. Holy shit. Look. Holy moly. It's time for the reveal. We actually managed to keep it hidden and keep it close, and he has no idea, I hope. It's early in the morning. We all had food poisoning yesterday, so we are all super fit. JJ! How are you feeling?
Hello.
Excited? Yeah, he just woke up, so sorry. Happy birthday, lieber Tommy!
Happy Birthday!
Wann habt ihr das denn gemacht? Das ist ja ein Ding. Cool.
Tipptopp?
Echt cool.
Aha.